in a flat pan on medium heat. Add olive oil, shallots, minced garlic. Stir for 3 minutes. Then add broth, potato, sherry, heavy cream, lemon zest, and smoked paprika. Stir and bring to a slight boil. Place a lid on top while reducing the heat. Cook for 15 minutes to soften the potatoes. Then add fresh baby kale, white beans, Palacios chorizo. It is important that the chorizo is firm and says ready to eat. Then mix. Cover and simmer for an additional 10 minutes. A gentle stir to bring up the colors, but do not break the potatoes. Serve with a zest of lemon and enjoy your caldo verde using Palacios chorizo.